and I have happily collaborated with the Moustache Guy, or Adam for short, on such videos as Matt Drops It, featuring the Moustache Guy, Paradox and Trick or Eat, which are all available to view on my channel. Oh, link here. No! Okay, there's no link. So, me and Adam have started a new channel together called TMG Videos. Link here. So please take a moment of your time to subscribe to us. Thank you. And goodbye. No, I'm sorry, no, I am not reading it. Read it! Okay, but it doesn't make sense. I don't care, read it! P.S. I'm an 8-year-old girl who wets himself.